factory bump stop again. Grab it with a pair of channel locks and twists. Pull it down. Sometimes they can be a little stubborn. There we go. So we removed the factory bump stop, and we're gonna just twist and push the Sumo Spring right up into place, right there. Again, get a better engagement, softer initial engagement, but then a firmer hold once it's loaded.